Oh, yes. Well, this is video I'm taking now. Let me go back to the
class. Put some pictures in the group chat for the advanced class. Put some pictures in the group chat Tuesday.
Well, am I the only one?
Y'all.
Oh, I don't know. I ain't in it. I know I ain't. Well, they keep telling. They keep telling me I'm the instructor. I'm gonna come look.
When you get a minute. I need that expertise on this.
Yeah, look, these are the same guys that built the Taj Mahal. They built the G&O Bridge. They just worked on it. These guys are amazing. The best crew, the best people I've ever known. You know I'm lying though. It's April Fool. But anyway, besides that,
Hey, it's November.
okay, whatever. What? Don't be closing that gate on me. Don't want me to see you back there.
You gotta come with the broom. Y'all got some spots y'all need to come up here.